Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course my main wig reviews. So if you like what you see by the end of this video, make sure you guys subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video, and we gonna be
Hello stranger, it's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. Fame's been waiting. Just as I recall that ass is still amazing. Playing, baby. Saying, baby. Love it, shit, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead and put a drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Yeah, it's taking that off for me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't make me wait, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will.
Welcome back. So today's unit was sent to me by Sensationnel. It's one of their Butta lace units. It's from the wet lace collection. It's in the style Butta unit 34. It's in the color chunky highlight blonde. It's a virtually undetectable HD lace, wider parting, ear to ear lace. It's heat safe up to 400 degrees and it has 100% premium fiber. And this is what the stock card is looking like, you guys. And this is what the middle of the stock card is looking like. And then this unit does come with some colors, some other colors. And on the stock card, it just talks about the blayage colors. It has a virtually undetectable HD lace, blends in with most skin tones, ear-to-ear lace with a 5 hand-tied parting area, pre-plucked with baby hairs, and a natural hairline density. Y'all, this unit is so pretty. And I think I slayed it, y'all. It's cute. It's definitely giving what it's supposed to give. And I'm keeping my glasses on throughout this video, y'all, because I'm loving this entire look. I'm loving the entire look. Yes, I'm loving these highlights, this color. This unit is so pretty. So it does have 2 combs on the side, a comb on the back, adjustable straps back there as well. It is big hip friendly. I will say as far as density, it's a little on the thin side. Sensationnel, we've been coming for you since you started making these Butta units. It's slightly on the thin side, but I know once you brush it out, the volume will build. But because this is a brand new unit, I don't want to brush it out. I don't want to do any manipulation on this wig, you guys. I like to just leave my wigs the way they look. fresh out the packaging because it's synthetic. Synthetic wigs don't last that long. But yes, it's so cute. I'm not sure if it's 34 inches or if it's just the unit number 34. Lately, these wig companies have been putting like the length of the unit in the title. It's definitely long, so I don't know. I don't know, but it's pretty. It's very, very pretty. It hasn't been tangling or shedding as of yet, so just keep that in mind. I do have minimal shedding, but that is because I cut the lace and I didn't really like go through to pull out those excess strands. So this unit is not yet out, but the second I have information on the price, I will put in the description box below. You guys just keep your eyes peeled for that, and let me know what y'all think in the comments below. This unit is gorgeous. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video, and I will see you guys next time. Namaste.